Hello everyone, I would like to show you how you can create a virtual AI event in a very short time. Okay, so it starts with the URL event.virtuellefotobooth.de setup register. I will post this below the video. You need to register yourself, so with your email address, your website, name and phone number are optional. Okay, you click register. Registration was successful. You need to copy your access key so it will not get lost, and maybe copy it to some notepad, and also copy the URL to log in, because this cannot be recreated after it appeared here. You can also directly bookmark it. Okay, then go to management means it will open this virtual event. And that's what it looks like. Your site configuration. With this little icon, you can edit your event. It is pre-configured with a couple of default values. I have added in German and in English, or you can add your information in English if you want to. You can upload a background. You can upload your icon file, your logo, the watermark. If you want each image to have an overlay, like you have in each Photobooth software with, for example, the event information, you can upload a file here. And if you are in a country where GDPR is important, you can add your impressum and your data protection text, your URLs here. This one is on mobile devices. If you only want to allow to use the camera on a mobile device, if you say yes. If you say no, the mobile device users have the option to upload an image from their gallery. So it depends on the event. If your client only wants to have AI image of his real guests, because then you say yes, because then they only can take images with the camera. On the desktop version, you can always upload, no matter what you say here. If you're on a desktop PC or you use a desktop version of the website, you can always upload. Here you can say if the email address is required, if the name is required, and if the mobile number is required. This is good if you need some data collections for your clients. I will say no. I'm gonna save. Now what you need to do is you need to add your AI templates. Manage AI templates. Click here. And of course you cannot upload templates that you created, because you can only use those that I have in my backend system. So the easiest way to go is either ask me what I have, so I can send you a collection of all the templates I have, or you can add all the standard templates from default events that I've created. Then you will get quite a lot templates that you can choose from. You can also always delete some of those. So if you don't need a doctor and if you don't want a Candyland, you can just delete them, and those images remain here. Those will be accessible through the front end. I want to upload one more that I created a couple of days ago, which is not part of the default template yet. So I use this watercolor style. Now you just upload an image, and the name of the image defines which workflow is used in the backend. Okay, so everything is fine, everything is ready, so you can go back to your site configuration or back to the dashboard. And now you can use this action. It's always switching back to German. You can use this action to open your event. You can see this event is not active at the moment, and the reason for this is if you create one, I will get an email as an admin, so I have to pre-confirm your event. I will do this. Give me 1 second. Okay, on the other screen, I went to my admin backend and I confirmed this event. So if you refresh the page, you can see the logo and you can see the background that was uploaded. And here you can see all the templates that have been uploaded before. So style watercolor, then you scroll down and you choose your file. And by the way, that's the front end your guests will see. So you choose a file. Yeah, let's take this one and you open it. Now the processing of the image starts. What happens is if the file is uploaded to one of my AI machines, which are located here in Germany in the office beside me, and it will be processed, and once the processing is completed, you will get the image back and the guests can download the image. If you want to use the same image again, you can use change scene. So you don't have to re-upload or don't have to create a new image. Or you can say try again, which will go back to the original upload form where you can upload a new image and select a new template. And basically that's the way it works. Your event that you've created is meant to show to your client. So if you have a client who is interested in doing AI events, either virtual or with the photo booth, you can create him this virtual event. You can send him the URL, and to not to overload my AI servers and to keep them available for those who have paid events, you are limited to 10 images a day. If you need an extended usage, just let me know. So if you have a client and he has some kind of a pitch phase and they need like 50 images a day, just let me know and I can make it work for you. Okay, if you like it, leave me a comment. If you have improvement suggestions, leave me a comment. If you don't like it, tell me what you don't like. And if you think you have a client who's interested in this, good luck with the pitch.